Hello, welcome. I believe looking at this question, you can be able to provide answer to this if you're able to watch the tutorial on the set theory that I did. This is basically on the De Morgan's theorem, given that n, the number of k is 10, number of y is 8, and the intersection of the two is what? 3. We have to find the union of that. By recall, De Morgan's theorem is just the number of k union y equals to number of k plus number of y minus number of k intersection what? Y. So by substitution, I should have 10, y is 8 minus 3. This will give you 18 minus 3, and that will be 15. So the union of the two is just 15. Very simple question given to the WASSCE 2025 February edition of the NOVDEC. Remember, this is question 2. So we have to be able to prep your appetite before the rest of the questions follow. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.